Alright guys, here's the walk around. Let you see. Finish the floor. I tightened up that little bit around the toilet. It was kind of tough to get the camera there without me mooning everybody. And I think you guys wanted to see that, so I did that part alone. And let's just show you that I didn't cut any corners here. And as you can see, like I said, this floor is pretty forgiving. It gets right up into the end right there. And this is around the toilet. Around the head. All the way around the back. A lot of people leave that open. And I think it looks pretty tacky, if you ask me, but you know, some people do what they want to do, and that's the way they want to do it. Alright, these stairs right here, I got about, like I said, each box was 36 square feet. I have about 5.5 lengths left, planks. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and do this step here for the tub. With those planks. Then the only thing we have left is the fix the tubs around with the caulking and tape. I need to put another piece of 1x. We're going to have this as a quick access panel. Just put another piece of 1x up there. Just staple it loosely so if anybody got to get back there, they can get back there. And this is going to be painted white. And then the only thing left would be the baseboard around. We see all that tannish yellow paint. It's going to be white baseboard, 3.5 inch, 4 inch baseboard. That's going to go all around. Electrical socket. And we're going to caulk the top, just so no air gaps will get in there. You can see where the trim is and the paint meets. It's kind of a little bit of a gap, so we're just going to caulk that up, and that would pretty be much that would be a nice bathroom for somebody to come into. It'll be all white. It'll be and I have to sand this down, so we're looking at a few more hours of work in here and this will be done. So like I said, I'm going to take you along on the journey. And thank you for watching. Johnson Family Lifestyle. Please subscribe, like. Alright guys, so this part right here took about 17 minutes. Get that on there. The baseboard will be down here, white baseboard. The rest will be painted white. And like I said, baseboard all around. Alright, this leads us to, I did a little bit of sanding, just a little bit. Just to get some of the, just to get some of that knocked down, just in case I gotta go over it again. And I made me a pigtail, cut the power out in here, and now it's going to be time for the do the switch. So Got a new switch plate, a couple of new switches to go in there. It's a switch for this right here. It's a switch for the fan and also a switch over the commode. Alright guys, I had to turn that off. I had to figure out which ones were the hot, which ones were the switches. So we only have one hot wire coming in, and all these are feeding other things. This is feeding the light. This is the feeding the fan, and this right here is feeding another light and also another receptacle in the laundry and in the bedroom. Alright guys, we'll be getting this together soon. I got these cut-the-bone switches. I got these three-way switches. Should have got a couple single poles, but we're gonna make it work. I'm supposed to be using stranded wire, yeah, I know, but I'm using what I have right now. So I'm gonna get this together before it gets dark. Like I said, I got a pigtail light, but it's not gonna work so good for me. So we're gonna get this together for you.